Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Sonos Arc to LG TV. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect Sonos Arc to LG TV, then we need to follow some steps. First, connect Sonos as the sound source. Second, connect HDMI cable to HDMI 2. Third, press the gear on the remote to get to settings. Fourth, select all settings on the bottom with the sound/sound out slash use wired speaker. Select HDMI ARC device. 7th, go back and select advanced settings. 8. Digital sound output slash pass through. 9. EX support is on. 10. Use magic remote to control Sonos volume. For that, press the gear on the remote to get to settings. Then select all settings on the bottom with the dot. Then select general devices. Select external devices. Select universal control settings. Select HDMI 2. Select manage settings. Select Bluetooth/soundbar. Select Sonos as manufacturer. Click through to finish. At this point, it still may not work. Use the Sonos app system. Then go to select your system. Then select TV setup. Then follow the prompts. Make sure nothing else is connected to HDMI. Follow the prompts till it's done. DA, everything works. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.